Caring for your Frigidaire dehumidifier is easy. Here are some tips to get you started. Your model may vary, but feel free to give these tips a try. For optimal performance, ensure your dehumidifier is in an area that does not restrict airflow in the rear of the unit. There should be at least 12 inches of clearance around the dehumidifier. For additional location recommendations, please reference your use and care manual. Your dehumidifier is equipped with an air filter, usually located in the rear of the unit. The clean filter indicator will illuminate when it's time to clean, usually after 250 hours of operation. To remove the filter, pull the tabs and take the filter out. Simply remove the filter and vacuum it, or wash with warm water and allow to air dry. Once it is completely dry, replace the filter and snap it back into place. You may need to reset the clean filter indicator by pressing the filter button on your display. Some units are also compatible with advanced filters, which should be replaced every 6 months. Please reference your use and care manual for more filter instructions. Your dehumidifier bucket will also need maintenance from time to time to avoid odors and buildup. When empty, use your thumb to gently bend the handle support tab. Rotate the handle until the handle lock can be slid out of the support tab. Remove the handle from both support tabs. Lift the splash shield off the bucket. Use warm soapy water to clean both the inside and outside of the bucket. Rinse thoroughly and wipe dry before replacing. Reassemble splash shield and handle in reverse order. Make sure the bucket is installed correctly. You may hear a click once it's in position. To dust the cabinet of your dehumidifier, use a damp or oil-free cloth. You may need to vacuum the grill using a brush attachment to remove excess dust buildup. If you are using a continuous drainage adapter or kit, ensure it's not blocked by dirt or debris, which can negatively impact performance. If your dehumidifier is not in use for a period of time, always unplug the unit and ensure the bucket is empty and completely dry. We're here to help. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at the Frigidaire website.